Bring out your dad.
Right. Here's one.
9p.
I'm not dead.
What?
Nothing. There's your 9p. I'm not dead.
Harry says he's not dead.
Yes, he is. I'm not.
No, he's not.
Yes, he's very ill.
I'm getting better.
No, you're not. You'll be stone dead in a few minutes, you will be.
I can't take him like this. It's against regulations.
I don't want to go on the car.
Don't be such a baby. Do me a favour.
I can't take him.
Well, can you hang around a couple minutes? Like I said, he won't be long.
I promised I'd be at the Robinsons. They've lost 9 today.
When's your next round?
Thursday.
I think I'll go for a walk.
No! You're not hurt anyone, you know. Isn't there anything you could do?
I feel happy. I feel happy. Oh.
Thank you very much.
That's all right. See you Thursday.
Who's that then?
I don't know. Must be a king.
Why?
He hasn't got shit all over him. Bring out your dad.